You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more plant names that are confusing, many of them are, it's science. Stay tuned until the end, I've got many more for you to hear. Pteridophyte. Yes, a silent P, so do not say pta. Pteridophyte. Pteridophyte, so is a stress on that re syllable. Pteridophyte, it's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.